Hello mga kuya, nandito po tayo sa farm plate ng Albay, Legazpi Albay or Daraga. So I don't know. So ito po yung tinatawag nilang farm. So which is wow. Talagang in-improve. See? Okay. Okay. Daming mga paro-paro. Mga
okay na yan.
Again, ma'am. One color red, one by the sun.
so ang ganda po ng farm plate dito.
Velvet night.
Mga kaboy mid-drop. So yun yung advantage pag mid-drip din ka pala. Kasi nakakapagpunta ka kahit saan. Okay? It's very nice. So don't forget to subscribe my video. If you want to visit also here in the Legazpi, you can consider this one as the tourist destinations. Bye!